Sometimes, as a parent, you talk, 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 and your children won't listen. The other day we wanted to go out. It was raining severely, and I was asking Uchenna, "Do you have your jacket?" His jacket, he said, "Mba, that he doesn't need it. That we'll just enter the car from there. We'll enter my mom's place. He will not need it." I told him, "Uchenna, you never know what's gonna happen. Just carry your jacket. You'll feel cold." He said, "Mommy, don't worry. Everything will be fine." Little did we know that exactly that day we had a small accident. I hit something by the side of the road and the tire was fully flat. See, they had to come and carry our car, and we were the ones standing in the cold rain. Of course, Uche didn't have a jacket. These children don't want to listen. I had to give him my jacket. After, I ended up being the one feeling cold, but at least he suffered a bit. So next time I'm telling him, "Uchenna, iji jacket gi," he will say, "Mommy, ejimiye." We took a small ride through the bus and went to see my mom. From there, we took the public transport home. Thank God everything is so organized here. If not, we would have been stranded outside. Lessons learned. Hopefully,